Deploying a robot is only the first step. As robotics becomes part of your operation, managing performance, uptime, and scalability becomes increasingly important. Without structured oversight, even well-deployed systems can drift. Performance can drop, minor issues can become bigger problems, and opportunities to improve efficiency are often missed. At Robot Center, our Managed Robotics Services provide continuous oversight, support, and optimization, ensuring your robotic systems deliver consistent value over time. Managed Robotics Services are designed to take the ongoing management of robotic systems off your hands. Instead of reacting to issues as they arise, we proactively monitor, manage, and optimize your systems, allowing you to focus on your core operations. This goes beyond basic support. It includes continuous monitoring, performance optimization, and structured service agreements, all focused on reliability and long-term scalability. Our approach combines three key areas. The first is fleet monitoring. For organizations operating multiple robots, visibility is essential. We provide real-time monitoring of your robotic systems to track performance, usage, and overall system health. This allows us to identify trends, detect potential issues early, and maintain operational stability. By monitoring how your robots are performing day to day, we can ensure they continue to operate efficiently and avoid unnecessary disruption. The second area is performance optimization. Over time, your operational requirements will change, and your robotic systems need to adapt. We continuously review performance data to identify opportunities for improvement. This might include refining workflows, adjusting routes, improving system configuration, or adapting to changes in your environment. The goal is to ensure your robotic systems continue to deliver maximum value, not just at the point of deployment, but over the long term. The third area is managed support contracts. We provide structured service agreements that give you predictable and reliable support. This includes scheduled maintenance, priority technical support, defined response times, and access to field service when required. It also includes ongoing system updates and improvements to keep your robotic systems performing at their best. With the right managed services in place, your robotic systems become a stable and scalable part of your operation. You benefit from consistent performance, reduced downtime, proactive issue resolution, and the ability to scale with confidence. Managed robotics services are particularly valuable for organizations operating multiple robots, scaling across multiple sites, or those without internal technical resources. They provide structure, control, and long-term reliability. At Robot Center, we support your full robotics lifecycle. From initial consultancy and deployment through to ongoing optimization and scaling, we ensure your systems continue to deliver value over time. If you are operating robotic systems and want to ensure they continue to perform at their best, managed services provide the structure and support needed. Get in touch with Robot Center to find out more.